Hello everyone. Today, I'm drawing ice cream truck. Drawing a ice cream truck is easy. Let's draw and paint together. Draw 2 circles beneath the truck for the wheels. Add smaller circles inside for the rims. This is the best ice cream trick ever. Start with the basic shapes and draw truck body. Now we draw the windows. Now draw the gate for ice cream truck. Draw a large rectangular window. This is where all the yummy ice cream will be displayed. Add sound horn on top of the truck. Now draw big softy stand on top of a truck. Now, let's enhance the details by boldening the outlines. Now we use different colors for make more colorful. Pink color. Pink color. Your ice cream truck drawing is really special. Pink color. Ice cream truck looks so colorful. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Blue color. Get creative and have fun. Green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Please subscribe my channel to see more drawing videos.